Hey guys, Nakia Lindsay here, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit the little bell so you'll be notified on when your girl here posts a new video. I am bringing you this date night get ready with me. It is Friday. I do not have to work, so I am going out with my man. So I was like, why not just record this video? So I recorded it for y'all. It is a hair and makeup get ready with me. Disclaimer, your girl's hair was looking crazy before this, so don't judge me at all. What else do I have to say? Yeah, if you want to see how I made this ponytail, because I do not show how I actually made the ponytail in this video, I just show me applying it. But if you would like to see me make a ponytail, let me know down below. Leave me a comment, let me know. If you want to see my sexy date night get ready with me hair and makeup video, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so look, we're just gonna get right into the video. Just gonna start out with slicking my hair back. My hair is very dry, I promise. This is not dandruff, it is gel and a whole bunch of other stuff. Okay, so my hair is so dry, but I have to wash it, but not today because I'm going out, and I didn't think to wash it last night when I got home from work. So your girl gotta do something real quick with it. It's been literally up in a bun all week, and it's gonna be in a bun tonight again too, because I'm putting on my ponytail tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take my air mist spray bottle. I'm just gonna wet the back of my hair. I'm telling y'all, this is gel. This is gel. My lights are so bright right now, so I'm gonna take my Lotta Body leave-in conditioner and just spritz that. I'm gonna take my Cantu moisturizing curl activating cream. Take this much. I'm just gonna put that and moisturize this dry ass hair. For gel, I'm gonna be going in with my Eco Styler olive oil gel. My brush. I just got my nails done, so I'm not digging my hand in this gel. I'm gonna take this much. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Eco Styler black castor and flaxseed oil 48-hour edge control play and stay. Honestly, if y'all ever see this in the store and you want to try it, don't try it, because if you have thick hair like I have thick hair, once you go in that humidity, it's a wrap. Your edges are gonna flare back up, sis. Like, it's not worth it. You gotta like really layer this on with gel and everything. But I'm just going on a casual date night tonight, so we're not gonna be out outside or whatever, so it's whatever. But save your coins, sis. Don't buy this edge control. ahead and move on to the makeup portion of this video. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I will list everything in the description box for this part. Next, I'm going to go in and prep my face. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette and pat this color into my transitional. Next, I'm going to take my Urban Decay On The Run Detour palette. This is a great little palette. I'm going to take the shade Confidential, and I'm going to place that in my outer V and crease area. Next, with the same palette, I'm going to take this color Dash. It's like a light golden color. I'm going to place that on the inner portion of my eye. Next, I'm going to take this color 16th Street, which is a nice bronzy color. Sorry guys, my camera did not pick up the true color of this pigment shadow, but I'm just placing it on the second part of my eye. Next, I'm going in with Anastasia Noir eyeshadow, the blackest eyeshadow I've ever used. I'm going to place that into my outer V area to darken up this eye look. Going back in with that brush that I used for my crease color and just blending all the edges out. Going back in and adding more noir to deepen this eye look. So I'm using my Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner. It's an okay eyeliner. I'm just gonna make a dramatic-ish type wing eyeliner. Next, I'm taking my Sephora Collection Lash Stories in the name Roll With It Lashes. Going in with my Milk Hydro Face Primer, I'm going to go ahead and prep the skin. Taking my Lancome Teint Idol Ultra Wear Foundation in the shade 540 Suede W. I'm going to go ahead and apply that onto my face. A little bit goes a long way, but I am kind of heavy-handed, so I put a little bit extra. This is like my perfect shade too. Gonna go ahead and use this old Juvia's Place brush that I've had for literally forever. I'm gonna go ahead and buff that into my skin. Next, I'm taking my NARS Amande concealer in the Lancome Camouflage Concealer in the shade 510. This concealer is bomb. It's a little thick. It's very creamy, but a little thick, so a little bit does go a long way. I'm just using that to highlight my face. This has literally been my new favorite thing. I'm going to go ahead and blend all that with a beauty blender. Right here, I am setting my concealer with my Banana Powder by Black Radiance and my Makeup Revolution Terracotta Powder, and I'm just going over the edges of my highlight. I'm going to melt all that powder on my face with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. Back in with my beauty blender, I'm just going to go ahead and set my upper lip and under my contour just to define my contour a little bit. I never do this. Only when I feel like being extra, I will do this. And then I'm also going to go ahead and do the sides of my nose. I'm telling y'all, this is all new. I'm never this extra. Next, I'm going to go on with my finishing powder by Black Opal and just dust that all over my face. And then I'm going to go ahead with my Hoola Toasted Bronzer, which is one of my favorites right now. I'm going to use that to bronze up my skin. It does have a nice reddish tone, which I really do like. Going in with my highlight, I'm taking Fenty Beauty Me Money Hustler Baby. I did use NARS Orgasm Blush underneath this too to give this highlight a little bit more of a pop. Going in with my Berry Adore Blush Trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm taking the first two shades and I am applying that to my cheeks. I'm a blush girl now. Now on to the hair, girls. The hair. I did make this ponytail about 2 weeks ago, nice and fluffy and full. If you would like a tutorial on how I literally made the ponytail, please let me know. Whew, look at them edges, honey. Look at them edges. Laid. Oop, gotta fix this one little crinkly one, but they are laid, honey. But like I said, if you want a tutorial on how to really make the ponytail, then just let me know. But I'm gonna go ahead and attach the ponytail now. It is on a scrunchie, so it is easy. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to attach it and then just go ahead and bobby pin it so it does not move. And give y'all a back view. Look at that. Oh, look at that ponytail, girl. I'm a whole new person with this ponytail. You can't tell me nothing. Alright guys, so I have to go and apply my lips. Right now I'm just using ColourPop Limbo liquid lipstick as a lip liner because it's a deep brown color that I like. I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips with that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Grim, which is a perfect cool tone nude for a woman of color. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my lips as well. So this is the finished look. I did add a pop of pink in my tear duct because my outfit has pink flowers on it. So I just wanted to give like a little pop of color. Yeah, added my accessories. And yeah, if you liked this video, let me know down below. Follow all my social media sites. They will be listed down below in the description box. I will try to put all the products that I use in the description box as well, just in case I didn't mention anything. Before you go, check my previous video out. It's gonna pop up right here, like right on my hand. Boom. Check that video out if you have not already. But yeah, guys, this was fun. Until next time.